welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about how I got this look. It's a smoky eye look, blue smoky eye look. Okay, subscribe if you haven't. Please click the subscribe button down below, the notification bell, please click so you be the first person to get an information when I upload a new video. Like, comments, I'm open to corrections, suggestions, please. And if there is something you want to see here on my channel, please notify me in the comment section. All right, let's get into the video. Enjoy. Firstly, I'll be using this Bioderma Mist Clear to clean up my face, to remove excess oil, makeup residue and dirt. I'm also using this face toner from Thea's, it's witch hazel, to reduce oil and minimize my pores. Then this moisturizer from Mary Kay is Time Wise. Also this from Milani Prime Shield, also to minimize my pores because I have a very oily face. And finally this Prep and Prime Fix Plus from MAC. It's matte, just to mattify my face. This is a lip balm to moisturize my lip. So today I'll be doing a little bit of change in technique. I'll be using this concealer from LA Girl in Toffee on my eyelids first before anything. Then I blend with this beauty sponge. Then I'll be using this is it visible? Benel Clan White eyeshadow base. I'm going into this eyeshadow palette from Lady V Organic palette, and I'm using this blue shade. Okay, that is done. So I will be going into this blue pigment from Inglot. So you push in or press in, and finally for shadow I'll be going into this pigment from Luster in Daisy. So I'm done with shadow. I would be going into foundation now. I'll be using this foundation from Benefit, Hello Flawless in Nutmeg. It has sun protection formula. It is oil free, so it's quite good for my skin because my skin is oily. So behind the camera I used the color corrector from LA Girl in orange for under my eye and around my lip. Then I used this illuminating cream from MAC. A good foundation is good. Just look at my face. Flawless finish, well blended, no color difference. The undertone is perfect and everything. So I'm using this beauty sponge to blend a little, like to just soak up all the excess on the surface. To highlight, I'll be using this LA Girl Pro concealer in Fun to highlight. I'll just be using it on this area, then spread when I blend. So I've blended my forehead, my nose, and here. I'll be using this brush from Real Techniques for under my eye just to push it in. So this is a prep before I contour my nose. I like contouring my nose fully before blending this part properly. So to contour my nose, I'll be using this NARS concealer in Cacao. Like I always say, I wouldn't be doing much because my nose is fine and pointed. So it's just a little, just to give it a little form. See, it's not so dark, so dark. I'm using this brush from Makeup Forever to blend my nose. Don't stress, just brush through. See that? So we are blended. I'll be using this setting powder, this Laura Mercier setting powder in translucent, to set my highlighted areas. So I'll be using the same beauty sponge in another part of it to just push. To contour my face, I will be using this powder from Maybelline in Cacao. Start on my nose first. Then I'll be using this brush from MAC. Here. I don't know why people do this. I just feel extra because this is why I like this powder is because it gives a bronzy finish. I used to use Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, but since this I'm looking at fun and easy like this. Yeah, so this is my bronze face. So with the same MAC brush, I'll be using this MAC blush. It's Amberine Rose. Yeah, so now I would be going into my brows. I'm using this pulley from this Beauty Line by DD Pencil. This is a brow tamer, TM Essentials, just to hold in the hair. Oops. I'll be using this brow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Ebony, but on the outer corners of my brows. Yeah, so that is done. So for the inner part, this part of my brows, I'll be using the same Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pomade in chocolate. By the way, I cleaned the brush before applying here. Okay, so that's my brow. So I'll be highlighting with this concealer, Milani concealer in 04. Who else thinks I'm looking like Mali Magic? right here. So you just need a little product. Remember, you've done your eyeshadow, so you just need a little of this. If possible, use your exact skin shade, so blending will be very easy. Yeah, so I'm done with my brows. I had to finish up off camera at the same time. Okay, this is quite old. So for my under eye, I'll be going back to this blue shade of this same eyeshadow palette. So the brush I'm using is a tiny smudge brush from Makeup Forever. You have to be careful with this so it doesn't get into your eye, you become all teary. So see what it looks like. I'll be using this mascara from Mary Kay for my bottom lashes. Okay, this is one of my favorite things to do. I like bottom lashes. I like it a lot, a whole lot. Like it gives another definition to your eyes. So I'm going to go a little bit extra. So I'll be using this Too Faced Better Than False Lashes Extreme. It's an eyelash builder, like it's a fiber. It helps give volume to your lashes. So I'll be doing a tutorial on this later. So it's just a white fiber. Leave it for a while. Then you go back into your mascara, like see it. Okay. See? So it gives volume. I'll be using these lashes from Coca Beauty in Tommy. And this glue from Enlash. It's a Younger Beauty product. So while my glue dries on the lashes, I'll be using this macro black pencil to line my inner rim. So yeah, I've lined my eyes. I'll be picking up the lashes. I don't think it's properly dry yet. Alright guys, so I'm done with my lashes. Wow. So fine. I'm using this brow build from Elon Musk to brush my brows. So for someone that asked me for a video on a sultry look, this is more like it. But this is a smoky eye, but it's more like it. So I'll be going into my lips now. So quickly before my lip, I will be using this highlighter, Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. So I'll be using this shade, Bronzed. Okay. Oh, blood of God. Yeah, so this is what I look like right now, but I don't know what lip to do. I'm thinking nude. Everybody knows me with nude, but I'm still doing nude. Like my eyes is loud enough, so I'm not going overboard. I'll be using the Givenchy lip pencil. It's my favorite to line my lip first. Wow. Should I do it already? think this is better. Okay, so there's a little change of mind. I'll be using this red lipstick from MAC. It's Ruby Woo. Just a little. The pop out of my lip. I don't want to be all nude or nude. Then for my lower lip, I'll be using this Milani lipstick. It's matte and delicate 7/8. Blood of God. So fine. So this is my finished look. This is so beautiful and it's simple. Forget all the time and all the paparazzi. It's very simple to wear. So thank you for getting this far. I hope you learned one or two things. You could try this on your own before going out, because smoky eye might be a little messy to get. That's why I started with the eyes first, but it's very simple to do, as you saw. Thank you very much. I hope to see you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Like, click the notification button, comment on something else you want to see, comment if you have a correction, comment if you have a suggestion. Thank you very much. See you in my next video. Bye.